around his back. That means you're fixing another instrument.
That means that somebody called me and said, I replaced one thing and now it does not work anymore. I have to find my cable.
Okay,
Oh, okay.
this is a bass guitar.
No, love. This jazz bass guitar.
Ooh,
That means that I hate it.
that's nice. Yeah, it sounds jazzy.
Input.
Ooh. Yeah.
Okay, wait. Okay, that is tone. No idea what this is. Okay, this is. Okay, so this one is connected wrong. I need a better amplifier for playing bass. I don't know how to play bass.
Okay. Ooh.
But okay, it's all accessible from the front. Now let's see what they have done. Oh, we have a switch here. What does the switch do?
No.
Okay, I think this is volume. And this should be tone. But this one is connected wrongly.
Okay.
Welcome to our electronic workshop, where we are not going to teach electronics, but just fix other people's mistakes. Why aren't we teaching electronics? Because there are many channels dedicated just to that, so go watch them. But we can try sometimes.
Yeah, but you can watch this even though you don't know anything about electronics.
Yes. You can watch us do stuff we never done before.
Exactly. Ooh.
Oh, fuck me.
Why is this more complicated than the electric guitar?
This is an active, this is an amplifier, preamp. What did he do here? So, the outside, this one is connected wrong. Oh wow. Yes, such a fucking mess. So when I go to 0, how? Why? Yeah, of course it kills all the signal because it's grounded here.
Of course.
Why did you ground it here, there? This is all potted, so I have no idea what is what. But I presume so let's start. So this leg here it connects to the ground of this.
Mhm.
So when you turn this all the way to that position, if you look very closely inside here, you can see the slider.
Mhm.
You ground the signal that you pick up from this black wire, that you pick up from this. Oh wow, what the fuck. Okay, let's start just by removing that ground. I need water.
Okay.
Do we have water? Hold this.
Is this hot already?
Don't lick it.
Yeah, that was my first thought.
Well, I accidentally licked it.
What? Oh, okay.
Don't ask why.
No, I won't.
It was an honest mistake. Everybody could lick a soldering iron at some point of their lives. Okay, let's see what happens when we...
Do you see?
Disconnected.
Oh, already. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now you just disconnected it.
Yes, I disconnected one leg of the potentiometer. Let's see what happens now. It's fixed.
What? What happens? This is volume.
This is volume.
But what does it do? I cannot hear it.
This is tone. Listen how the tone changes.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh yeah. And this is supposed to be like that.
Yes.
I mean, slight change.
Yes.
What is this?
This is probably... Is there middle?
This
These are
doesn't
high.
sound good. And
I think we fixed it.
really, that's it.
Yeah.
But why does this one sound so bad?
Because it was not plugged in all the way.
There's some
Yeah?
disturbances, right?
What do you mean by disturbances? I mean noises.
Mhm.
Yeah, we are picking a lot of noises. So I don't know what all of these knobs do.
Mhm.
This is, by my opinion, you need volume, tone, and overdrive, and that's it.
Distortion.
Yes, distortion or overdrive.
Ah.
But I think this is it, because if I don't need to do anything more,
Mhm.
then I need to take everything apart,
Okay.
because I'm not redoing other people's shit. So yeah, this is obviously a short one. That does not mean that it's going to be cheap.
Okay, yeah.
So let's... How is this packaged inside? Barely. It barely fucking fits. And then somebody drive in screws into the angle.
Mm.
Great craftsmanship. Yes.
You know this brand?
What is the brand?
Marcus Miller.
No.
Okay. I suppose. It is.
and I refuse to learn all of the brands. I know 2 brands, Fender
maybe.
and Gibson.
Maybe this is someone famous, but
You know what?
Maybe this is the brand.
You know what? Why I hate branding on guitars?
No.
When somebody calls me and then says to me, "Oh, you know, I have a Marcus Miller white with and then it starts to describe what the guitar is and etc. and why is famous and who plays it, and I do not care. I do not give a shit. It's a guitar like any other.
Well, I mean, isn't it the same with every brand of everything
Yeah, but
else?
musicians are especially prone to. This one is even clean.
Prone to what?
Prone to over complicate their telephone calls. Like they're going to tell me the whole history of this guitar, how they got it, who played it before, what did they do with them. No, tell me what's wrong and leave me alone. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'm going to call the customer. Tell him that it was a very complicated procedure that took a long time.
Yeah, the patient was on the table for 8 hours.
Yes, barely survived. Whoops. So thank you for watching, and don't listen to jazz. Do drugs, but don't listen to jazz. We found a mystery. Look at this. It even has a switch and 2 LEDs. So I made a power Oh, there's a whole board here. What? What did I do?
What? You don't remember?
No.
The hell?
Oh, wow. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. You see it?
Yeah. Okay.
So
I'm confused.
So I have a guitar effect that I made. What the hell? That I made, and it runs batteries, but I wanted to run it from the amplifier. So obviously, I made an internal power supply. Wowee! It even has fuses. Wow. Look at that. And more LEDs, wait.
Okay.
I forgot about that. Oh,
Okay.
wow, I was so smart.
Congrats.
Yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.